Names of earth materials. Aha ihe ndị si n'ala. Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma mụrụ m. Ọ bụ nwanne unu nwanyị Adaukwu. Ihe ọmụmụ nke anyị nwere taa bụ ihe ọmụmụ aha ihe ndị si n'ala. Names of earth materials. Tutu anyị aga n'iru, before we go on with our lessons for today, please do not forget to share, to like, and to subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Welcome back. Like I said earlier, our lesson for today is knowing the names of earth materials in Igbo language. Aha ihe ndị si n'ala n'asụsụ Igbo. Examples of earth materials are rock, sand, soil, clay, and so on. But today we are going to focus on this particular four, which is rock, sand, clay, and soil. Please don't go anywhere. Keep listening. The first one is rock. Rock is Nkume. Nkume in Igbo language. Rock is Nkume in Igbo language. The second one is sand. Sand is Aja in Igbo language. What did I say sand is? Aja, beautiful. Then the next one we have is clay. Clay in Igbo is Oro. Clay in Igbo is Oro. That one you can use to mold something. It is called Oro in Igbo language. The next one is soil. Soil is Ala in Igbo language. We plant in the soil. We plant in the soil. So, having said this, we are going to go over again to what I just taught you now. Let's go. I said that rock is Nkume in Igbo. Nkume is the same thing as Okute. It depends on the dialect. Stone and rock is Nkume or Okute. It depends on what you want to see, depending on the example you want to give. All right. Then the next one is sand. Remember that I said that sand is Aja. Sand is what? Aja. Beautiful. The next one is clay. The name of clay in Igbo is Oro. Like I gave example, the one that you use to mold something. All right, you can use it to mold pots. Those days when we were younger, we used it to mold pots, spoon, even mortar and pestle. We used it to mold even a human being. All right, you know what I'm talking about. So clay is Oro in Igbo language. The next one is soil. Soil is Ala. Ala. Remember the example I gave before. We plant our crops in the soil. Anyị na-akụ ihe anyị na-eri n'ime ala. That is it. So for today, our lesson has come to an end. And before you go, please don't forget to share and to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye-bye.